Apparently they don't have a GPS mount from Touratech, so I found this cheap alternative from Macom, 3D printed, looks fine, pretty strong. Let's try it on. First you have to remove the windscreen. Then you remove the 4 bolts of your TFT display. You can't use the original washers anymore, they don't fit. At that point you pop in the mount. And put it in place. At that point you should get longer bolts because the original are a bit too short. So now you can fasten the mount on the TFT display. So let's remove this here and put it on a new mount. It fits quite good. At that point you can put back the windscreen. So the windscreen touches my Garmin. That's not good for scratches on my windscreen. But instead it's keeping my Garmin stable. So yeah, let's try it out and take it for a spin.